Hey y'all, I'm James Wright and welcome to my shop. Today we are talking about this little beauty which I just picked up this weekend, and I've been wanting one of these for a long time. And a lot of people are going to look at this and think, wow, that's another molding plane, just like all the other ones you have up here. No, this isn't just a molding plane. You see, molding planes, and most every plane here in the shop, are intended to make furniture or make a project or something like that, and they're shaped like this, and the shavings actually come out the ejection right along the iron itself. But this plane, its end product, is actually making the shavings. It makes spills. And these are a lot of fun. At the end I'll talk about what these are made for, but right now let's actually get into restoring this and getting this into a working condition again. Beautiful. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. So these are spills, and back in the day you could use them to light it from your fireplace. Then once this was lit, you could take it around the house and light your candles, light your pipe, and this would be how you would light everything else in your house when everything got dark. It's kind of a cool piece of history that we've completely missed, and so the only purpose for this plane was making these. This was the end product of the plane, and so someone would make a pile of these, and then they grab another spill and wrap it around there. And you could actually take these and sell them, or just make them for yourself around the house. It was something that was fairly common in most houses. You could actually wrap these up and put them on the mantelpiece and have them ready to use. Just kind of a fun piece of history, and these have really disappeared. It's something that I collect. I have a couple of them in hand, but this is a new one made of oak, and I just had to purchase it. A lot of fun. So if you want to see more about restoring this, and it is much like restoring other molding planes, it's basically just an iron, a wedge, and a body. They're fairly easy to work with, but on my second channel I go into a greater detail describing what I'm doing, why I'm doing it, and hoping that helps you along the way. So if you want to find out more about that, my second channel, I'll leave a link to it down below and up in the cards. It's an interesting piece of history that I really enjoy. So I hope you like this too. And if you have any questions or ideas down below, let me know. I would like to do a video here soon actually making one from scratch rather than just bringing one back from history. So if you'd like to see that, let me know, and maybe we'll do that here soon. So this is about it for today. I hope you liked it. And until next time, have a wonderful day. Oh, stink. I just spilt the spills.